fractions with unknowns in the denominator. Examples. Given that 1 over a equals 1 over 5, find the value of a. Solution. We have 1 over a equals 1 over 5. 1 over a is a fraction at the left-hand side, while 1 over 5 is also a fraction at the right-hand side. Now, at the left-hand side, the denominator of 1 over a is a, and a is also the unknown. So that is why this is an example of a fraction with unknown at the denominator. Now, in this case, what is the LCM of the denominators? LCM of denominators, and what are the denominators? A and 5. Now we can see from here, a and 5. What is the highest common factor between a and 5? Is 1. Once the highest common factor of two numbers is 1, then the LCM is the product of the two numbers. Now we have a letter and we also have a number. So, and we don't know the value of a yet. So the LCM is going to be a times 5, and that is 5a. Now, since we have the LCM to be equals to 5a, then we multiply all through by 5a. If you multiply all through by 5a, what do we have? 5a times 1 over a is equals to 5a times 1 over 5. So we say a here 1, then a here 1. So we have 5 times 1, which is 5, and 5 here 1, then 5 here 1. A times 1, which is a. So it means that the value of a equals to 5. Method 2 for the same question. Now we have 1 over a is equals to 1 over 5. From here we can just cross multiply. By cross multiply, what do we have? We have 1 times 5 equals to a times 1. 1 times 5 is what? That is 5. And a times 1, that is a. So this implies that a equals to 5. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.